Welcome to ThinkJam. I'm Mourya and I'm a student here for the past 2 months. I'm a beginner and I learned a lot here. My favorite things here is beginner friendly and interactive live classes, doubt sessions and live coding. I'm here to explain about inheritance and the types of inheritance. For starters, inheritance is one of the features in OOPS concept. Inheritance is nothing but it allows a child class to take all the functionalities from a parent class. Well, this is a child class and this is a parent class. It inherits all the functionalities of a parent class. The types of inheritance. So we have single inheritance, multiple inheritance, multi-level inheritance and hierarchical inheritance. In single inheritance, the child class inherits the functions of a parent class. We have class A and class B. Class B is a child class and class A is a parent class. The functionalities of a class A is inherited by the child class B. An example, let us take a parent class. It has a function 1 and that says this function is in parent class, and we have child class which inherits the parent class by mentioning the parent class name within the brackets while defining the class, and the child class has a function 2 and which says this function is in the child class, and create an object with child, and I'm calling the function 1 which is a function in a parent class, and object dot function 2. The output of this line is this function is in parent class, and object dot function 2, the output will be this function is in child class. So what happens here is though I didn't create an object for a parent class, I can access the function which is present in a parent class, and this is due to inheritance. And let us go to multiple inheritance. In multiple inheritance, what happens here is the child class can inherit the properties of multiple parent classes. For example, we have mother class, father class, and the child class inherits the properties of mother class and father class. In mother class, this says this function is in mother class, and in father, this function is in father class, and in child class, we have this function is in child class. Well, I've created an object for only the child class, but I'm accessing all the functions, function 1, function 2, function 3. Well, for this line, we have the output, this function is in mother class. And similarly, for function 2, we have the function is in father class, and for this line, we have the function is in child class. Now let us go to multi-level inheritance. In multi-level inheritance, this is nothing but a relationship between grandparent and child. Here, A is a grandparent, B is a parent, and C is a child. The functionalities of class A is inherited by class B, and the functionalities of a class B is inherited by class C. The functionalities of A is not directly inherited by class C, but still it is indirectly inherited through B. Well, let us take an example. We have grandparent class, parent class, and child parent class. The parent class inherits the grandparent class, and the child class inherits the parent class. And I've created an object for child, and I'm accessing the function 1 which is present in grandparent, and function 2 which is present in parent, and function 3 which is present in child. Now I'm getting all the outputs. Okay, this is known as multi-level inheritance. Now we're gonna go discuss about hierarchical inheritance. In hierarchical inheritance, we have multiple child classes. What happens here is these multiple child classes can inherit the functionalities from a single parent class. Let us look at the example. We have one parent class and two child classes, and these two child classes are a child 1 and child 2, they inherit the functionalities of parent class. Both of them inherits the same parent class. And I have created two objects. Object 1 is an object for child 1 class, and object 2 is an object for child 2 class. Now I am calling function 1 through object 1, which is an object for child 1 class. Object 1 dot function 1. The output will be this function is in parent class, and object 1 dot function 2. This function is in child 1. And object 2 dot function 1. Object 2 is an object for child 2 class, right? And we are accessing function 1, and the output will be the function is in parent class. And object 2 dot function 3. Function 3 is inside the class child 2. So we're accessing this, and the output will be this function is in child class. Thank you.